Good morning and welcome. It is Saturday the 13th of August. We are creeping ever closer to the end of our trip. We still have 2 more nights to go. We're heading to another, well, we're still here at Shoresmead, which is not far from Newquay. Our plans are a bit flexible today. We don't really know what we're going to do. I'm going to suggest that we head into Newquay, have a look around a little coastal town. It might be nice to see the west coast of Wales, see the sea, see what the beaches are like. It's going to be a baking hot day today, 30 something degrees I think they're saying we're going to get up to, so it's going to be a hot one. But we're heading to Riverview, 2 words, touring park, which is just south of the Brecon beacons. It's only about an hour's drive, so it won't take us long to get there. Not sure if there's too much to stop and do on the way, but we're still here. We've got some packing up to do, we've got breakfast to be had, and we will catch up with you when we hit the road.
Got your seatbelt on, Max?
Yes.
We continue for 1.5 miles.
Right. That is our 4th or 5th campsite.
I didn't realise your video.
That's our 4th or 5th campsite done. We have just left Shoresmead Caravan and Motorhome Club site. Very quiet, typical Caravan and Motorhome Club site. Poor Max, nothing to do for him. He can ride his scooter around.
It was clean, really clean. I love the bathrooms.
Tidy, toilets were good, yeah.
Bathrooms were certainly much better than the last campsite.
Yeah, they were a lot cleaner.
The pictures were bigger, and you know what you were saying about our awning that wouldn't fit on that pitch? Well, I saw one of the pictures up there was massive. It was like huge. 10 million feet!
So you just got to pick the right pitch, I guess. Make sure we get stressed out when we get there. But we didn't put our awning up this time because we were there one night. Yeah, you kind of, like I said many times before, we know what we're going to get when we go to a Caravan and Motorhome Club site.
Clean bathrooms.
Clean bathrooms, quiet, peaceful, decent space between the pitches. Generally you get a decent amount of privacy if you want it, but not 1,000,000% great for children.
Yeah, not many families.
No, some of them have play parks. We have been to Caravan and Motorhome Club sites with play parks. Brighton, for example, had a play park, and I'm sure there's others. So we are now, our plan for the next 2 days, we only have 2 more nights camping. We have 2 nights at Riverview touring park with one main thing we're going to do, which is the 4 Waterfalls walk, which is quite popular, so we're going to try and get there early. But today we're heading into Newquay,
Wales.
Newquay, Wales, yeah, 2 words, Newquay, not Newquay. And we're going to see what it's like there, maybe have a proper dinner there and just snack back at the van. We haven't decided yet. We'll see what it's like. We expect it to be very busy. It's a Saturday, and it's school holiday as well. It's the seaside and it's a nice day, and blah, blah, blah. Last day I think before the temperature starts to go down a little bit.
Already it's 29.5 the temperature is, and it's only 11:30.
Hello.
But anyway, we'll see you there and we'll show you around a little bit when we get there. Au revoir.
Au revoir.
That's French, by the way. And it shouldn't take us too long to get into Newquay. The drive in is pleasant enough. We have some country roads, we have little towns that we're going to go through, and before we know it, we'll be entering the town of Newquay. And welcome to Newquay in Ceredigion, Wales. I hope I pronounced that correctly. And I do like the way a lot of the people have painted their houses, lots of bright different colours. And we could have spent probably hours driving around looking for a parking spot, but we are going to go for this town car park, which is about a 10-minute walk, I think, down to the seafront. It is quite a steep walk. I think we paid £3 or £4 for the whole day, so not too bad. Hi there.
So it's quite full at the moment, so the spaces are right at the very top.
Okay.
So you would turn right at the yellow sign and there'll be people up there to show you where to go.
Okay.
Okay. It's £3 for a ticket.
Okay.
Yep.
I'll give that to you now, do I?
If you don't mind.
Of course, yeah. And please drive carefully because there are some hidden potholes, as we are about to find out.
You alright? Well, look, what should tell you, Max? What's that?
Arrived in Newquay, we have found a dusty, very dusty car park that we've managed to park in. £3, which is a bargain. But it is dirty, and we did smack the camper van on a big pothole on the way up the, you may have heard it actually, on the way up the slope, but we're heading down to the little town centre now and see what that's like. Well, maybe unless it goes all the way around. Okay, so real steep hills from that car park. I'll try and put the name of the car park road underneath here if I can remember where it was. And we're heading down to what sounds like a very busy bay, so let's see. Like I say, steep slopes and lots of still are quite a few stairs, so care would be in order. Here we go, look at this. Hi again everyone, we've made it to Newquay. We are on Newquay Beach. It's like a little cove area. It's really busy. Lots of boats and very sort of shallow. I think the tide's going out because we see a sand bank or a spit becoming more prominent. Yeah, really busy. There is another beach over there which looks, it's too far away for me to get a video of, but it's virtually empty. I'm feeling it might be a private beach with a holiday park, or maybe the houses that are above it. Over here, which you probably can't see. But anyway, we are going to drag Max out of the water because he's gone out 100 yards and find somewhere to eat, I think. So we'll catch up with you soon. And yes, we are already back on the road now. Unfortunately, we spent the rest of our time in Newquay running around trying to find somewhere to eat. There were people everywhere. Everywhere was packed with a 1 or 2 hour waiting list. So we ended up eating fish and chips outside a fish and chip shop, but they were pretty good. So we are now on our way to Riverview Touring Park. Let's enjoy the drive and we'll see you there in a few seconds. And here we are at Riverview Touring Park. This is our home for tonight, and let's find reception and get checked in. As we arrived after 4 PM, the reception was actually closed, but our check-in details were pinned on a board outside the door. We have our pitch number, and we're going to drive through this adults only area to go and find our pitch, and we'll see you there. And this is us, pitch number 37. So hi guys, welcome back. We have just had a drive. It was about 2 hours from the coast where we've just been at Newquay. Pretty average for us there, I think. Not quite the beach that we was expecting. There were some bays either side. We think one of them might be private, but we're not 100% sure. So we've arrived at Riverview Touring Park. Really busy. A lot of pictures, and there's only one toilet block with 2 toilets and 2 showers in for each. They're 1 male, 1 female, 2 showers in each. So there's a bit of disparity there between, I think, the number of pictures and the the facilities. There's at least like 60, 70 pictures, I think. I'll confirm that. But so we wanted to get a bit closer to home tomorrow. So we're only going to stay here for 1 night now. We're going to move on to another site tomorrow night. So. It will just make the drive on Monday a lot easier, and we think we're going to have time tomorrow afternoon to do that. So welcome to Riverview Touring Park. Quick setup tonight, quick pack down tomorrow. We will see you a bit later on. And I'm going to cut in here for a second. There is a link below to a full review for the campsite, and a couple of clips here showing you how sort of grubby the toilets can get when there's so many people coming in and out. But check out that full review if you want to see more. So we're going to go for a little explore around the park because we believe there is a bar around here somewhere. So we are just going to check out the bar. So there's a tight little bar here that we're not sure what to expect. Let's have a look. This is cool, Max, isn't it?
Oh God, they got football pitch. Can I go on it?
Of course you can. That's not what it is. So that was a pretty neat little bar area. We may head back there later. I didn't take too many videos because there's lots of children there and stuff. We come back to the van now. We're gonna have tea, pasta sauce.
I'm having my Coke and no caffeine. Yeah, I'm good.
Good. Pasta sauce and chicken nuggets in the Rich Monkey. Hopefully you won't get food poisoning or salmon. No, would you get? Not salmon, but you know what I mean. And it's really hot. The sun is right opposite our pitch. So we get nice, warm, glowing heat for tonight. It's going to be cold in the morning, but well, not cold because it's the biggest heat wave we've had in like 80 years or something, but not as warm as it has been when we've had morning sun. So that sun will be gone in, I reckon, about half an hour, because there's a bit of a mountain in a distance that you will not be able to see. Maybe you can see it. That's what we just hit. I reckon in half an hour that'll be gone, and it'll be very pleasant. So tea time. Over to Suzanne.
Tea for Max.
Has anyone? Oh my God! Look at my hair, guys. This has been under my hat. Shall I put my hat on? Let me put my hat on. Oh, my hair is all sweaty and yucky. Okay. Has anyone ever done chicken goujons in a Rich Monkey before? If you have, let us know how they turned out and if you were ill, because we've just done chicken nuggets and they look good, they smell good.
Goujons?
Chicken goujons, sorry.
Smell
God,
amazing.
good God, I say chicken nuggets. Chicken goujons.
Smell those. Can you smell them?
Can you smell them?
Don't they look amazing? Let me flip it over so you can see the other side. Now, I read somewhere that if they start to go a bit soggy, you just take the lid off and carry on like using it as a frying pan to just crisp them up a little bit, but they're not going soggy at all. They smell like they're good.
They smell good.
And all it is, it's not a fancy dinner, but every little boy likes pasta,
That's a chicken nugget.
tomato sauce and chicken.
And his
nuggets.
daddy.
After last night's disaster, actually, well, Max refused to eat his.
Oh, the fajitas. He said the
Chicken
fajitas were
fajitas.
burnt, yeah. We're having chicken again. That's good though. Chicken's good. So that's our tea tonight. Filled pasta with a pasta sauce and chicken goujons. Ridge Monkey. £2 again. Nothing in other pans. It's all going to be done in just on our Kadak 2 Cook 2 Pro. And if you haven't ever seen that before, check out the review or our little feedback that we did of the Kadak. So tea time, and we'll catch you later. Amazing camper van tea. Pasta and chicken nuggets with a pepperoni and tomato sauce.
Pasta and chicken goujons.
Chicken goujons. I keep saying chicken nuggets, but good, Max. Yeah.
Amazing.
Amazing, 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 amazing. Thank you, Suzanne / Mummy,
For coming up with the idea.
and for executing. Amazingly. And that is the end of today's video. Join us next time when we check out lots and lots of waterfalls. Good night.